name is Seth Quiring. I'm owner of Quartier Bakery and Cafe here in Lincoln and Omaha. About 15 years ago, my brother and I were living in Montreal. My brother was a baker at the top French bakery in Montreal. From there, he went on to Paris. At a certain point, we decided, let's start our own business. So what better place but to come back home where we're from. He started out of a rented kitchen working through the nights, and here we are 13 years later. One of the things that makes us unique is his experience. It's not about a secret recipe. It's flour, water, salt, and either yeast or the sourdough starter. It's how you process and how you handle the dough that makes the difference.